Okay, welcome back to my channel. We are doing airsoft today with Levi, and then there's some not important people over there. There's like 5 of them, but there's 4 of them. But 3 of them have you have to like load it, and then one of them only has automatic, and me and him have automatic. So we're just gonna get the automatic guy out first, you know.
We're that smart.
Yeah, we're just that smart. So let's get started. Yo, Myron, when are we starting? Okay. We forgot to turn on the scope.
Alright, me gonna shoot a little bit now.
Probably a good idea. Should we scoot up? Oh, he's intense. You gotta stop dying in the hole. I probably should not be playing in Jordans right now, but it's fun.
Hey, don't go phone.
Mine's coming up behind us probably. Fucking hot. I'm dying of heat.
Kid with his hands up reloading.
Okay. Martin's been eliminated and he's the only one with the automatic gun.
Hit. Another one off the board.
I don't know. No, I got him out.
There's 2 kids left. Yeah, there is.
Get the other brother out too. I'm out. not stand over here. I'm probably gonna get now.
Well, then get out the hole and go chase him. So you can get him out.
You'd have to come over here to get me out.
No, I accidentally hit the power button and it like shut off the recording, so let's start a new one. Do you think Trevin will be mad? Yeah, probably. Yeah, I guess this is what I get for getting shot first in the last game. Dude, just camp this hole right here. I'm gonna go back to following Trevin for a minute. Trevin, I'm coming! I'm gonna win myself a job recording for you two idiots.
Yeah, I mean, you got something to do.
For who? Check your phone. We're in the middle of recording this. I can't check it. Levi said he's just gonna camp there, bro. Are you just gonna camp too? Peyton, come here. I need you to be cameraman for a minute, bro. I gotta take a piss. Run, Peyton, run! Oh, wow. Just set him right here.
Get the gun at least out the dirt. I'm so bored.
I said take a break for a minute.
All right, go back into action, boys.
Levi, I swear that hit you, bro. What?
Where is Levi? Oh, there it is.
That one was close.
Dude, you should just charge him.
Nah, his gun is more powerful than mine. That'll hurt.
I'm gonna tell him to charge you then. Oh, Trevin, do I have to make your headstone next? There's a couple other kids that played here. They're not really dead, but still.
Oh, wait. It was the kid with the ball.
I don't even know where he's at.
Dude, this is taking so long.
Hey, just bring it in the center and play rock, paper, scissors.
What? No.
Quick it in the center, let's have a shoot off. I'm getting sweat rings around where my glasses are.
2, 3, 4.
Let's see, let's give Trevin a more powerful gun. Trevor, you want a more powerful gun? Now we're talking. No, Peyton's just an idiot.
A little bit.
Okay.
Let's see. Spin the bottom thing.
I have
There he is.
This sweet new gun to shoot people with.
He's on the other side of the hill.
He's
I
on the
know.
right side.
Somewhere over there. But it doesn't matter because you're my main priority, Trevin.
How the heck did that?
Bro, fold up the little black thing. Keeps the dust out of the gun. Black thing.
What you talking about? Yeah, why was that out?
Because you pulled back the thing.
I want my old phone back.
Trevin, come here! I mean, Peyton! Trevor wants his gun back! Give me my baby then.
No, if he's coming up on me. Yeah? I know. I didn't want to.
Get down.
Hey, give me my other gun.
No, you can turn right on. Levi!
Wait, Levi shot someone's already out. I mean, he automatically loses.
Already was right in front of him. That's not fair.
You should have been shooting at him then. Remind me why it's illegal to switch guns.
Levi, I just hit you. I did it. Yes, I did. I literally watched it hit you. I have not been hit.
Levi, did you feel it or did you hear anything?
I didn't get hit either. I literally heard it hit. Travis, you're just being retarded. You're just acting like you're running off because I'm smart.
I just want this game to be over. But you should just charge him.
My mama, you now hit me.
On my mama, you should just full auto him.
I should just fall out of him.
Full auto charge, bro. Hey, stop shooting my gun if you don't have to. Yo, Payne, come here quick. There's a grasshopper. I'm gonna shoot it.
Why? I was shooting at a grasshopper. I hit it. It's dead now.
I'm taking this from you. I'm kind of scared. Ah, fun. Grasshopper's making love. Where'd Levi go? Behind the bush. Take this and just put it back on top of the hill. I'm gonna go back to overdrive. Go put it back on top of the hill. I know it's hot. Corbin, look at me. I don't even have a shirt on. Trevin, just end this game. I think this is the most boring airsoft forever. That's what you should do, bro.
Levi, just charge him. You have a better gun.
No, but he doesn't have a bad gun. And if I charge him, it gives him the advantage. Not your chance, not your gun.
No. You kind of said you were going to come last minute. So I'm planning for... Okay.
Better than the cameraman.
You can come be cameraman. He's out of town. Bro, Levi, just charge him at this point. I don't even care if you lose. Just end this game, bro. Yo, this game's lasted for over half an hour. Yes, just end it, bro. Finally. Think of all the fans that are gonna cheer when you win. Levi, run! He gone.
That hit you? No. Yes, it did.
No, I didn't.
Dirty liar, swear it on the Bible.
No.
That's a yes.
Oh, yeah, now that hit me.
Yeah! You're gonna cheer, Levi. You just won this game. That lasted for freaking ever.
Tell you what, you're running away, Jack.
How do you feel, Levi? You finally won this stupid game.
Annoyed.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Tell
annoyed.
Trevor's mad too.
I'm just gonna end it here.